The Workmate's been one of the most successful design series across all the devices that we support. So for the S4, we really wanted to evolve the design, both in terms of the materials and the functionality.
The design series has been 2 years in the making, and this time around we've developed a sophisticated tri-material extra protective case.
I've got the brand new S4 with me. We've put it in the Workmate case. We're going to push this thing and we're going to see what it can do. Let's go. The Workmate Evolution has an integrated polycarbonate, TPU and silicon design, and that's designed to give your phone a superior level of shock absorbency. It's constructed around a TPU chassis with impact corners for extra drop protection. It's got a protective featherlight rubberized PC shell into which we're inlaying a textured silicon pad, and that's for anti-shock and grip properties, as well as to create some stickiness on surfaces like dashboards or tabletops. It has a really deeply embedded bezel, and that protects the screen really well, and it's got a really slim profile. The initial Workmate Pro for the Samsung Galaxy S2 was quite a simple case. It's a spark edge PC shell which backs off onto a silicon chassis. With the S3, the design became a little bit more nuanced, so we've integrated the PC component and the silicon a little bit more closely, and we've added these silicon ridges on the inside of the case which back off onto a cavity, and that just increases the shock dampening quality of the case. With the S4, one of the key sort of changes is that we've moved away from using silicon on the inside of the case. We're actually using a soft TPU, and we've introduced a third material by way of this silicon pad on the back. Regardless of how these three cases sort of differ, I guess one of the key design directives with the Workmate series is to produce a case that is really quite protective, but also is slimline and non-bulky. So I guess we're going to see what the Workmate for the Samsung Galaxy S can do now. We're going to up the ante a little bit. We're going to drop it now from about 2 meters or 6'6". We're going to take it up again. This time we're going to drop it from 3 meters, which is about 10 foot. So the phone survived the 3 meter drop, but I guess we've got to break something. Take it away, Smith. That's been the drop test for the Workmate Evolution Tri-Material Extra Protective Case for the Samsung Galaxy S4. That's available now. For the rest of our range, you can log on to www.cygnett.com.